Hello friends, the topic of this video is virtual machine. So in this video we'll see what is virtual machine, why it is needed and what are the benefits of virtual machine. So virtual machine is a software that create virtualized environment between computer platform and end user in which the end user can operate software. Means suppose if you are running, let us take example, if you are running or if you want to run Linux on Windows. Then how it is possible? It is possible through virtual machine. So you have to install Oracle VirtualBox and inside Oracle VirtualBox install Linux, and through Windows you have to start the Oracle VirtualBox and then you can run the Linux. So it is nothing but software, and you can run n number of software even if the sufficient space is not available. So virtual machine provide you an interface identical to bare hardware. So you will think that it is hardware, but actually it is a virtual. The operating system create an illusion of multiple processes, so you can run multiple processes on the same processor. So that is the beauty of virtual machine. Now, how to create the virtual machine? First of all, you have to create virtualization environment. So virtualization is an abstract layer that decouples physical hardware from the operating system to deliver great resource utilization. And it allows multiple virtual machine to run on OS. So each virtual machine has its RAM, CPU, NIC, means it has having same type of configuration, or you can say the same hardware is available but in virtually. So RAM is available, CPU is available, network interface card is also available. So suppose if you are running Linux on Windows, then in that Linux you can run internet also because NIC is also available. So operating system create the illusion of multiple processes, each executing as its own processor. So the same processor like infrastructure or processor is available on virtual machine to execute the processes. The host machine software that provide virtualization is also known as virtual machine monitor or hypervisor. The software that provide virtualization means if you install the software, let us say Oracle VirtualBox, so that is also known as virtual machine monitor. The virtual machine monitor gives each virtual machine an illusion of complete computer itself. So you can see there is virtual machine monitor, and above virtual machine monitor there are virtual machines. So you can run n number of virtual machines, means there is illusion of n number of processors are available for executing the processes. So this is the architecture. First of all, there is hardware. On hardware, there is above hardware, there is OS, then there is virtual machine, and above virtual machine, there are kernels. So each virtual machine has its same sort of hardware. RAM is available, NIC is available. So each virtual machine has its own processor. So what are the advantages? The advantages is multiple applications and operating system can be run on single system. Okay, means multiple application as well as operating system can be also run on single physical system. That is the advantage, and there is no overlap amongst the memory. So if you think that since there are multiple virtual machine, memory overlap can occur, it it is not so. There is no overlap among the memory as virtual machine had its own memory space. Then isolation, virtual machine are completely isolated from the host machine. So there is no overlap and there is no problem of memory leak also. So these are the two main advantages of virtual machine. So I do hope you understand what is virtual machine and what is its importance. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.